morning, students, and welcome to your English class.
Today, we will learn about letter O. Letter O is the next letter after letter N, and its sound is O as orange.
Look at this picture. What do you see in this picture?
In this picture, we can see a boy. His name is Omar. He went to zoo with his grandfather. He saw an owl on the tree and an ostrich. Omar, owl, ostrich are friends of O. Do you know some more friends of O? Good job. Orange, onion, octopus, oven are some more friends of O. Children, in this lesson, we learned about an owl. An owl is a wild bird. It mostly lives in a forest. Can an owl see in the daylight? Good job! An owl cannot see in the daylight. It can see only at night. How many children are at the zoo? Can you count them? Right. There are 3 children enjoying at the zoo. They are having fun at the zoo. Let's learn to write letter O. It's very easy. Can you see the red dot? Place your pencil on red dot and move it on other dots. It is very easy. Now, practice to write capital and small letter. For more updates, please subscribe our YouTube channel.